Hi everyone and welcome to Eastern Trentino in North Italy, between the mountains of Lagorai and the ones of Palle di San Martino, Broccon Pass and Calaita Lake. With its typical culture and traditions, Trentino can offer an immersive experience in the heart of the Italian Alps, where the blue sky is the background of the Dolomites, a World Heritage Site. These lands are full of paths that will let you discover lakes, alpine woods, peaks and valleys, rivers, and picturesque landscapes. In this region, I recommend you visit Lake Calaita with the view of the Palle di San Martino mountains, the Lagorai chain and its Costa Brunella Lake, and the landscapes of the Broccon Pass. This will be our place for these days, and for tips about accommodation and food, read the video description. Emilia! Valsugana and the Lagorai chain are crossed by the network of SAT trails, marked by the characteristic red and white sign and indicating the right direction. In the description of this video you'll find some routes you can load into your smartphone and follow. Nature here can offer memorable moments of relaxing. Also sitting, eating and drinking a sparkling Trentino wine. And don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.